Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Get ready to witness the future of aerial photography with the Hover Camera X1, the world's most advanced pocket-sized, self-flying camera. Imagine having a high-quality camera that can effortlessly capture stunning aerial footage without any pilot skills. The Hover Camera X1 is an ultra-compact and portable camera that flies autonomously, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Compact and portable, the Hover Camera X1 easily fits into your pocket, allowing you to take it anywhere and capture those special moments. Self-flying technology. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and computer vision, this camera hovers in place, follows you, and even takes stunning 360-degree panoramic shots. 4K video and 13MP photos. With its high-resolution camera, the Hover Camera X1 lets you capture professional quality videos and photos from breathtaking angles. Gesture control. Control the camera's movements with simple hand gestures, making it incredibly user-friendly and intuitive to use. Obstacle avoidance. Thanks to its intelligent obstacle avoidance system, the Hover Camera X1 can safely navigate through tight spaces and avoid potential collisions. Travel and adventure. Capture stunning aerial footage of your outdoor adventures, whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring new places. Events and parties. Get creative and take amazing group selfies, or capture memorable moments at parties and gatherings from unique angles. Sports and action. Elevate your sports photography by capturing dynamic shots from above, whether it's surfing, skateboarding, or any other action-packed activity. And there you have it, folks. The Hover Camera X1, a game-changer in the world of photography and videography. Don't miss out on this opportunity to capture moments like never before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and check out the link in the description to check out their offer.